Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike. I'm making another video today. Today's video is episode 4 of the Bubba motor. The Bubba motor, 1941 3.3 horsepower Evinrude for Harvey in Beaumont. So if you're following this series, I've had a lot of problems with this motor. I had to replace the power head, had a broken spring on the rewind starter, bad float in the carburetor, and I had it running. It would run intermittently, and now it would, last episode 3, it wouldn't start at all. So I found a lot of trash in the gas tank. I got that cleaned up, and I ordered a new float. I didn't know you could get floats for that type carburetor. Here it is. Pretty cool. So I've cleaned out the carburetor, the gas tank, washed it out till only clear water came out of it, no debris. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna bring the carburetor inside and I'm gonna replace the float. And also, when I did get it to run, the water from the impeller wasn't coming out of the vent. It was coming out from underneath the power head. So when I put the lower unit in, I might not have stabbed the water tube right. I got to take that apart and look at that. So here we go with episode 4, bound and determined to get the Bubba motor running. If everybody's ready, here we go. Come to find out, the new float is different. Pin inside is shorter. Could try to move this pin here, but I'm afraid this cart being twice as big is not going to allow enough gas into this. So I could modify this float, but I'm going to stick with this float. I think it's working fine. Found some clog stuff inside the gas tank that might help, so I'm going to put it back together and see if she works. No, that float ain't floating. They sold me a float that don't float. Maybe room. I found me a couple of older carburetors. This one, the float's been stolen out of. But this one wasn't. Took the cover off, and look what we have. We have a floaty. So I'm gonna take that floaty. It fits in here. And I'm gonna use it on this one. Let's see how that works. This float seems to be working properly. Pops up, stops the flow. Let's see if she'll start. I say we got a running motor. A little bit of fine tuning, test out on the water, it should be ready to go. Finally got the Bubba motor running. Woohoo! It pees water too. Looking good. Should be out on the lake anytime now. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. You know, my mission here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. And I think I'm there. I think I have it. So the best way to reach me is at my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. It's the first link down below in the description. On that website, I have all the links you need to contact me, provide the information I need for your one-stop shopping, all right? You can find all my parts right there. I have a parts broker link where you can submit a form to me to look for your hard-to-find parts. I have a mail-in repair link where you can click on it, talk about shipping your part to me for repair. I have a technical consulting link where you can donate to my site and ask me technical questions and get an answer. I also have a restorations link. You can click on that if you want me to restore your motor. I can give you the information you need to do that. So my website is a wonderful thing. Please click on it, go to it in order to contact me. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.